Hi everyone. In today's session, I'll be teaching you about the Figma basics. Since this session is for beginners, we'll start with simple things like how you can add a comment, how you can add annotations, and how you can create mockups as well. And also, we will explore more about Figma AI and how you can use it with your designs. Along with that, I'll show you how you can use Figma Make also, and how you can create and experiment with ideas using it. So I think let's get started with the session today. So first, let's start with the extracting the layers. If any image is properly layered and with text and gradients, so how you can extract those things. This is especially useful for developers as they often need individual elements also from a design. So I'll show you how you can do it. So let's say this is an image. You want the this is the hero section basically, and you need an image for the background. How you can extract it? So you have to go in this file, then you can see all the layers attached with this. Now what you will do is you'll copy this whole section so that this don't get messed up with the other things. You have to copy that and paste it. So I'll copy it and I'll paste it here. So after pasting, you can see all these elements are here. Now you can take it out one by one. This is another thing you want. If you want that content block also, you can take it out. After taking it out, you can see this image, but we also have this layered slider kind of a thing, so we will also remove it. Now you can see that we have this gradient, and then we have the image over here in the fill section. Now what you have to do is you just need to extract that thing. So now this is the image. Now you want to export it. Let's say you'll click onto this export and then select the 4x, because this is the good quality you can get from Figma, and you click on to export this section. You will export this whole entire section. You will get the gradient as well. So I'll show you how it will look without a gradient and with a gradient. So let's say I don't want this gradient, I'll remove it. So this is how it's gonna look. And if you want this image also, you can extract it same as how we extracted with the gradient color. So now this image will come like something like this, so developers can use that directly. And next thing is how you can add a comment. So it's simply you will press C. So after pressing a C, you can add a comment. Let's say I have written as test, so this is the comment uh, for the team that you want changes in this particular section. And if you want to tag anyone, so just press shift at, so I mean you can tag any of the person here who is in your team. So that's how you add and comment. And if you want to add any annotation as well, you click on to y is the shortcut of annotation. So if you don't want the shortcut also, you can go under this comment tool and then you can select the annotation. I've already talked about the comment section, comment thing, and then you can go similarly write the annotation. So annotation makes the process easier for development team as well. So let's say I want to add any comment for testing team, so I will write any comment which is for testing team. You can write any of the comment which you want to write. So if you select the category, if I want to go with it's an annotation for testing team, development team, or whatever, so you can select it from here. Let's say I am adding this for testing team, so now testing team is aware that this annotation is for them. Similarly, you can add it for designers, or if it is a content based some anything, you can just select the tag and you can write the comment annotation here, so people know whom it is for. That's how you add a annotation as well. So now we have this screen which is mobile version. Now if you want to put this in a mockup, how you can put it? So I'll tell you a great plugin. It's a free plugin, so you can use it for your creation, for mockups. So just go onto the plugins. From here you can go it from plugins and widgets. Now you can search for the plugin named as mockup mockup plugin. This is the plugin. Now you will search for iPhone. You will select free only from here. Now I really like this one, so I'll select this one and I will add a frame to it. So I have to select any layer. This layer I've selected. It's loading. Now I can zoom in or zoom out, but let's say I don't want this section, I want it from header. This is the section I want, so I will just crop this thing, put that in mobile screen. I will click onto the layered and then I will paste it. Now your mockup is ready. If you see, if you zoom in also, it's not pixelated, it's properly visible and it's in a good condition, so you can use it anywhere. So that's how you create any mockup. Let's say you want to scale this, you want to make it bigger, so you will select from here, you will select scale tool, and after selecting scale tool you just drag it, so from all the sides it will go equal, it will increase its size equally. And if you select the move tool and then you make it scale or whatever, so it won't do it properly. See, it's not gonna scale properly. So that's the difference between move tool and scale tool. And then it's easy for developers, I mean you guys, to show it to any client that if you take out the hand tool, no element is gonna move. So while presenting it to your client or any if you are going to a session, so just use this hand tool only for easy purposes, and I mean you can use it easily without moving any element. Yeah. And now if you want to go with exporting any section or a frame, so click onto this one. Let's say I want to export this entire landing page. I will go onto the export section. I will preview it that if any element is missing or what, everything is in the frame or not. So I can check it from here how it will look like, and then I can extract it. So let's say if you want to send it to the client, send a PDF and name that, or select the entire section and export as PNG or PDF, anything. If you go with exporting any PNG, go with 4x. It is a high resolution file, so that's how you export it as a PNG. Even if you want to export it as JPEG, you can export it. If you want to export it as SVG, you want to give any other designer to work on it, so you can give XVG as well. And then PDF is the highest quality, you can export it. So lastly, let's look at Figma AI and how you can use AI features in your designs to work faster and make the things and design your process easy. So let's say we have this whole entire form. What you will do is you will just take it out for now, and you want more fields to be added there. So I will just duplicate everything. It's auto layout properly, so you can do it. Now what you will do is you will replace the content. So whatever you have replaced it, you have duplicated right now, has been replaced. Now AI is so smart that it took entire thing what you exactly wanted from this landing page. So what all possible fields can be, it have added already. Now we have check-in, check-out, guest, room type, booking status, method, payment method, and special request also. So now it took all the fields which are very relatable to the project. So that's how you can use AI. And even you want to change any text here, you can change it with AI. So for AI, we can have another session also. We will talk about AI only in that session. So that's how we can cover all the AI tools and AI part from in Figma, which is there. So for now, we can have another thing, which is Figma Make. Now let's just learn about Figma Make, how you can prototype your things. So let's say I have this landing page, it's not animated anything, nothing is animated or nothing is prototyped here. Now I will go onto the prototype section. I will click on to send to Figma Make. It will directly take this landing page to Figma Make. And now what you have to do is you have to just write a prompt so that it animate. Right now for this video, for this session, what I have done is I have created this whole prompt. Now I will copy paste it from ChatGPT. Now from here I will just paste my prompt. Okay, now image is generating, image is getting uploaded here. Now what you have to do is you have to just write a prompt that how you want the section to be animated. Now I will send this to Figma Make. It will generate my uh, image, my landing page, and prototype it also on hover effect or anything. It will just animate my landing page, which was very basic, and now it will animate it for me. Section and the landing page, it's almost ready. Let's see how it looks. So as you can see, you can see this scroll effect on the hero section, which is very good. And here also you can see these buttons are popping out, so that's a good thing. And here the cards are also popping out. I think it did a pretty good job. You can achieve more good results by giving the proper prompts. So I can refine it with the prompting thing, and then it can get better. So I think that's all for the today's video. If you like this video, give it a like and let us know what you want to see next. Share it with your friends and keep following us for latest updates. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.